everyone. Today we will talk about children life insurance policies and commonly asked questions. And I also have a special treat for you all today, so please watch the video in its entirety, especially if you want to put your children in a better place financially. I can certainly help you with that. So let's get right into it, shall we? So, what is a child's life insurance policy and what options are available? So, a child's whole life policy is a type of permanent life insurance policy that's designed for children 14 days of age until 17, and in some cases, as young as a day old. So, what does this mean? So, it means that the insurance company will provide lifelong coverage as long as premiums are paid. So, you will not have to worry about the premiums increasing nor the face amount decreasing over time. This is certainly a peace of mind for you, correct? Also, with this policy, a portion of the premium goes toward building cash value, which can be accessed while the child is alive for any reason. So, with many children's whole life policies, you have a few options. Okay. So, you may ask, Valerie, what are those options? Well, I'm glad that you asked. So, you have the pay to 100 option where you will pay a premium flat rate up to 100 years. Whoa, such a long time to pay on anything, right? Okay. You also have the 10 pay option where you will pay on this policy for 10 years only. Once the policy has been paid for 10 years, you now, as the policy owner, will own the policy and no more premiums are needed. How awesome is that? So, this brings me to my next point. Parent owners can transfer ownership if they want to. So, what does this mean? So, when the child grows up and has a family of their own, this small whole life insurance policy that was purchased on them when they were young has accumulated cash value. And these funds can be accessed through policy loans and withdrawals or surrenders. So, let me give you an example. So, for example, Lisa gets her 7-year-old son, David, a $25,000 children's whole life policy. Lisa has two options, but she has chosen the 10 pay option because she does not like to have lingering payments out there. And with this option, she only pays $27.82 a month versus $12 a month that she will have to pay forever. What this means is that by the time David is 17 years of age, he would have his own $25,000 life insurance policy. David would also have accumulated cash value into his policy, which means that David can use this money to assist with college expenses, electronics, down payments on a vehicle, or whatever is needed to assist with him getting a head start in life. Just imagine a life with no debt. How awesome is that? So, here's another question that I'm asked. So, Valerie, can I get a term policy for my child? No, you cannot get a children's life insurance policy, as this will only cover them for a certain amount of years. I mean, just think about it. You have a 5-year-old and you're looking for a 10-year term policy, which means that it's going to end. So you're only wanting to cover your child until they are 15. I would not want to do business with anyone that thinks that this would be the way to go. Your child should be your top priority, and setting them up financially for financial success is the only way to go. You need coverage for your children. So let's get to it and get the babies covered today. Set the right example for your children as they are like sponges. You can only do that by filling out the form attached, and I will reach out to you to get your life's blessing covered. Do not wait. And I also know that you all have waited around for the treat, and here's the treat. What if I told you that you could get out of this world benefits for your child? So, if you're looking for a children's life policy that comes with benefits, such as an orphan scholarship that will give you up to $6,000 per year, up to 4 years for children that have lost their parents. Wow. Wow, I'm too excited. And also the orphan benefit that will support children up to 18 with up to $900 per month who have lost their parents. Also, post-secondary education competitive scholarships, member only online courses for personal and educational growth, a free will, yes, a free living will. Community grants up to $2,000 for family and local community events. So if you're wanting your children to be involved in the community, this is the way to go. Discounts on electronics, clothing, sporting events, theme parks, and more. I would highly encourage you to reach out to me today and do right by your child. If I hadn't mentioned before, these benefits are built within the policy at no additional cost. Whoa. $25,000 is a 10-pay option at $27. You can't beat it with all of these benefits. And before I go, I would like to add that you now are receiving the education and also the resources. So will you do the right thing? It's all on you. And I'm sure the babies would thank you by giving them a head start in life. What's the excuse now? No money? Guess what? Sacrifice for your children. It's well worth it. Guys, make sure to fill out the form so that I can contact you. And I really would like to thank you all for staying tuned to this video. And I hope that this video was very educational for you all. And again, please make sure to fill out the form. And I look forward to hearing from you all. Enjoy your day.